Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I'm David. Today I want to talk to you about the 3M 467 MP model adhesive backing tape. This is a tape I use a lot on wood projects, but you can use it on acrylic. You could use it on all kinds of crafting projects that you may use in your home DIY stuff. And what this is it's got an adhesive when you peel it back. It's on here that you stick on the back of whatever material you're wanting adhesive on, and then once you lay it down and apply it, then you can peel this outer layer off and all it leaves is the adhesive, which then you could then stick that on anything else. Let me demonstrate how that's used on wood here, and again you can use this on acrylic or any other item that you may use in your DIY projects. Okay, the first thing I do when applying this 3M adhesive backing onto wood, acrylic, or anything that I'm going to put it on, I first, with the wood, sand this down to 180 grit, then take a blower and blow all the dust off so it'll get a good adhesion. I kind of feel it then to make sure there's not any dust or raised spots that can keep it from sticking really well. So then I'll just take the roll, unroll it out as much as I need, overlap the end just a little bit, line it up with the top without any kind of pressure down yet. And then what I do is I take my thumb and hold it while I pull my fingers out. And then I will just smooth out the top first, then come across over here to the top, and then down on this side. And what I'm looking for is trying to keep any air bubbles from getting in. And what I'm going to do is press along this edge of the wood, and then I just take a razor blade, just any little razor blade, and score along the edge of that wood using it as a guide. Then I can sit here and come back and push out the rest of the air and push this down onto the material. Okay, as I want to show you here, this is a star that I cut out on my laser using that adhesive on the back. And what I want to do is show you is you can take your fingernail or just a razor blade and you pull up the end here, peel the backing off of it, and then it has this adhesive that's on the back, and all you have to do is press it down where you want it. This could be acrylic, whatever you want. It's instantly bonded, no time for glue to dry or anything like that, and there's no glue squeeze out, and it's on there very tight. You cannot take that off very easily. And there you go. As you can see, the star that I'd cut out with a laser with that adhesive on the back stuck really, really well. Does not come off. There's no gap in behind it. You don't have any squeeze out of glue or anything like that, and it's instant. It doesn't have to dry and take time for you to complete your project after you've applied it. So if you like that, click on the description down below. There's a link for that to pick up on Amazon.